So today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing. And I know you're thinking, wow, that's a fat ass box. I know, I thought the same thing. When I got this in the mail, I was like, wait a minute, is this BoxyCharm 2.0? Is this like the new BoxyCharm box? I was so confused. I am not up to date with the BoxyCharm game these days, let me tell you. I have been so deep in nail polish that I don't even remember what anybody looks like. It's been crazy, but I don't know why the box is this size this month. Maybe this is the new size. I'm not sure. I'll do my research on that. And I know what else you're thinking. Kathleen, that blue tape has been on your wall for like 4 BoxyCharm videos. I know. But I swear I am in the process of remodeling my beauty room. I just haven't started. I've been very busy, okay? I've been very busy. I started the process, but we have yet to finish it. By the way, I am filming the entire process. I'm gonna show you before and after, decluttering, painting. We are gonna see this room transform, and I am freaking out about it. You guys have no idea. I do not like change. I like routine. I like the same stuff. I'm a creature of habit, but I have decided I need change in my life. So I'm forcing myself to change this beauty room. And it's gonna happen, stay tuned. But anyway, back to this. So, this is what the box looks like this month. I'm not well. I obviously already peeked into this box, which is why I don't have any makeup on my face, except my brows. Ow. Oh my gosh, my hair got caught onto this chair. That always happens to me. But anyway, the theme this month is stellar, and there are some really interesting things on this list. So let's try this stuff on. I feel like I haven't filmed a YouTube video in 4 days and I don't know how to do it anymore. I am all over the place. So, the first thing in the box is this. This is the Kypris, I believe that's how you say this brand, I'm not sure. Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. It says an antioxidant dew lavishing skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nourishing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Damn! This is $90! That's expensive. Oh my god, that took me by surprise. I didn't see the price before. Whoa. All right. Damn. On the back of the bottle, it says made exclusively. Can I speak today? Exclusively for BoxyCharm. So I'm wondering if you could even get this on the Kypris website, or can you only get it through the BoxyCharm? If that's the case, it's pretty cool because I'm assuming they would normally sell this for $90 and you get it for $21 with the box. So I'm going to apply this to my face as a primer situation. So I'm just gonna take some of this onto my fingers and rub that into the skin. It smells very earthy, which I like. It makes me feel like there's like natural ingredients in here. By the way, I am wearing Light Slacker nail polish in the shade Woman with Girl Power on these 4 fingers, in case you're wondering. Okay, so that actually feels really, really nice on my skin. Kind of has this like tacky feeling, which makes me feel like it would be good underneath foundation. My face just feels really, really hydrated right now. I like it. Okay, so I'm looking at the ingredients and there's actually a bunch of good oils in here, so that's nice. Sour cherry flower extract. What? I don't understand any of this, but it feels nice. Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna put some makeup on my face and I'll be right back to test out these brushes. Okay, so I just added some foundation and a little bit of concealer. I actually used the concealer that came in the box. This is a sample of the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer, and it is super lightweight. It doesn't have much coverage at all. If you're a full coverage kind of gal, this won't be the concealer for you. I felt like I had to do like 3 layers to get more coverage, but even then, as I was building it up, I didn't notice any cakiness. It is a very lightweight, easy to blend, simple concealer, so I liked it. It's a nice everyday concealer. I mean, from what I can tell so far. But anyway, the next thing in the box is this. And I got really excited when I saw this because this isn't from any brand. This is like from BoxyCharm. So like BoxyCharm made this. This is their 2-piece brush set, and it's their first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, and the foundation brush has an oval base shape. Oh crap, I didn't use it. I didn't use it for my foundation. I should have read that before I opened it because I didn't know this was gonna be like a foundation brush and a powder brush. I thought maybe I could use this as like a contour brush. That's why I put on my foundation and my concealer already and not my bronzer. I don't know what I would have used this one for either though. This seems okay for powder, but it seems very stiff. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna start off with this one, and I'm gonna use it to contour my face with the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked. So I attempted to use this to contour, and let me tell you, it really contoured my face. It did a really good job of contouring the face. It's just a little bit too intense for me. I don't like a contour that's too extreme. So I felt like I had to go in with this brush and just like blend everything out. And then once I did that, I felt like it looked fine. And I like how it looks. But if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, these aren't my favorite types of brushes. I've used brushes like this in the past. They're very similar to like those Artiste brushes that look like hair brushes. They're just a little bit too dense for me and too stiff. Of course, I don't want to jump the gun. I do want to use these how they're intended to be used. I want to use this with powder and I want to use this with foundation. I'm just an idiot and I didn't do that today. Actually, let me get some powder. Let's powder the center of my face a little bit. You know what? This is probably really, really good for those of you with like oily skin. Oh, yeah, you see where it like really just like pushes the powder into the skin, really mattified that area. I'm gonna hang on to these and I'm gonna play around with them a little bit more, but typically I don't love brushes like this. I prefer a standard traditional brush, but hopefully BoxyCharm extends their brushes and comes out with like more traditional ones. That'd be cool. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and finish up the rest of my face so we can jump into the eyes. Wait, just kidding. Wait, those were obviously full-size brushes and that brush set retails for $35. This shirt is like driving me crazy. Okay, I'm back. I added some eye primer to my eyes along with some bronzer, blush, and highlight. And now we're gonna dive into the rest of this box, starting with Celestial Thunder. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. I'm actually really, really excited to test it out today. These colors are so rich and yummy. Probably one of my favorite palettes that she has come out with so far. So yeah, let's dive into this bad boy. Okay, so I just finished the eyes. Ah! There are lashes in the box this month. Oh! I already put on like a ton of mascara. It's okay, I'm gonna put them on anyway. Wish me luck. But anyway, so I just finished the eyes and oh my gosh, I love this palette. I mean, you guys saw when I first put down this orange, I was like, oh, that is a lot more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. But it blended out like a dream. It was so easy to blend out. This palette is really, really nice. The shadow is beautiful. It's so shifty. Like in one angle it looks orange, in one angle it looks pink. It's so pretty. I really, really love this palette. At least the shades I used were all incredibly pigmented. The mattes were buttery and these sparkles are so intense. This is really, really nice. I have to say, this is probably my favorite palette she has come out with so far. I really like that. That is a full-size palette and that retails for $35. Now I'm gonna pop on some Falsies. These are the Lilly Lashes Falsies, and they are the BoxyCharm ones. I guess they're exclusively for this box. Is this Dose of Colors a BoxyCharm color? It's called Charm. This is a whole boxy box. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna take these Lilly lashes and I'm gonna test them out. I'm scared. Not my thing. Not my thing. Okay, I want to start off by saying, obviously I applied these wrong. There was like a whole gap between my natural lashes and these fake ones. There's like a big ass gap. So obviously, my fault, but I feel like they were so hard to apply. The band was so stiff. I've never tried Lilly lashes before, but I hear amazing things about them. I just think that this style was too extreme for me. I don't know, what do you guys think? How do you guys feel? I don't know. I kind of liked it with my natural lashes more, but that's just me. You guys know I prefer mascara. This is a little too intense for mama, but I can handle it. So these are of course full-size Falsies, and these are $25 and they're faux mink, which is awesome. All right, and now last but not least, we have the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Charm. Like I said, it probably is not gonna match this eye look, but well, I mean, it's warm. You guys know I love the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. They're really, really good. They're like a cult fave here on YouTube, a classic. This color is so beautiful. It's in between like a true red and a deep brick red. It's so nice. I really love it. I love red lip colors, and I love this formula. A+ from me. Yes, not with this look. I think it's too much. I look like Chiquita Banana right now. But separately, I like all of these things. Alrighty then. Let's add all these products up, shall we? Oh, did I tell you how much this liquid lipstick is? I did not. It's $18. Okay, so the overall value of the box this month is $203. And that honestly is because this shit was $100 by itself. So, wow. So I really liked everything in the box this month. Oh my god, it's like red on the inside. I'm so confused. What is happening this month? I really liked everything. I love this liquid lipstick. The lashes are a little bit too extreme for me. I would say that's my least favorite item in the box. And these brushes, but everything else was fabulous. This freaking palette is amazing. And I really, really liked this a lot. My skin felt fabulous. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did you hate it? Did you love it? But that completes this video, guys. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!